Good morning, children. I welcome you all in today's class. Children, today we will continue with the lesson Methods of Psychology, and we will be studying about the experimental method, steps of experimental method, field study method, and survey method. So let's begin with the experimental method. The most highly developed, formalized, and accurate of all scientific methods is the experimental method. It is the most reliable of all the methods used in psychology. In 1879, Wundt started the first psychological laboratory at Leipzig, and since then, most psychological data are collected through well designed and scientifically conducted experiments. Thus, credit goes to Wundt through Weber, Fechner, Helmholtz, and associates who used it in their work. Experimental method is a procedure in which certain hypotheses framed on the basis of previous findings are tested by systematically varying certain conditions and controlling some other conditions. In other words, it is an observation used under pre-arranged conditions. When the behavior of a person is not studied under natural conditions or in the field but under artificially controlled conditions in the laboratory, it is called an experiment. Here, all factors are kept constant and only one factor is varied at a time to determine the effect of this variable on the problem of study. In experimental method, the requirements are a well-planned laboratory apparatus and equipments, subject and experimenter, problem, hypothesis, and design. Now, regarding the steps of experimental method, firstly, the problem under consideration is carefully defined and analyzed. Then, a specific hypothesis is formulated on the basis of the findings of previous investigation. For instance, associated pairs of words are better remembered than unassociated pairs of words. This hypothesis is deduced from the findings of earlier studies. If the result supports the hypothesis, it is accepted. If not, it is rejected. In other cases, no specific hypothesis is framed, but the effect is only studied. For example, to study the effect of association on memory is an example of one such hypothesis. Now, next step is the method of study. Under method of study comes design of the experiment, subject, procedure, which includes details of preliminary arrangement, apparatus, test required, instruction, and conduction of experiment. The next step of an experiment is introspective report, and after that, statistical analysis of the data and the interpretation of the result. The experimental design is the important aspect of an experiment. It defines the experimental problem, states the conditions under which the observations are to be made, describes the instruments and apparatus to be used in making accurate observations, and outlines the procedures to be followed in interpreting the results. Further, experimental design is necessary to repeat the study under similar conditions to verify if the same results are obtained. This is a very essential characteristic of any science. Statistical analysis of the data and interpretation of the result are the most important aspects of an experimental method. Now, children, after this, let's study about the field study method. Psychology has extended itself to various spheres of life. Since application of experimental technique requires a well-equipped laboratory, it cannot be carried to different fields of life. Field study is used as an alternative of laboratory investigation. It is applied in those investigations where experimentation is not possible. In the field study method, the subject is observed under his natural surroundings. The investigator goes to the field, that is to the actual environment, with a set of questions and makes observations accordingly. In order to obtain clear understanding and spontaneous responses of the subject, the investigator joins the day-to-day life of the subject. This method is free from the artificial nature of the experimental method and enables one to study the subject in the actual lifelike situation. Field study method is used in the study of children, industrial employees, in the factory situation, animals and tribals in their natural surroundings. After this, next is the survey method. Now children, while attempting to understand the dynamics of human behavior, one may come across certain problems which are difficult to study by observation, experiment or case history method. Political attitudes, consumer preference, attitude towards family planning, dowry, marriage and divorce, women liberation, healthcare, etc. are studied by survey method. Survey methods use questionnaires, interviews, rating scale, checklists, etc. for obtaining information about the problem of study. In other words, survey method is a procedure of collecting certain informations from the population by carefully prepared questionnaires. The information is obtained from a scientifically selected sample which represents the view of the entire population. For social surveys, the sample must be randomly selected and it must be large enough to represent the population. Currently, survey method has extended itself from mere administration of questionnaires, tests and interviews to telephone survey, survey by postal questionnaires, etc. This is done for quick collection of data. Although personal interview technique is more popular and extensively used in survey method, it is very costly and time consuming. Report is necessary at the first place. The interviewer must be trained and competent enough to carry on the interview. Data must be colored by the impressions, bias and prejudice of the interviewer. So survey method is extremely useful in social sciences like psychology, provided carefully prepared questionnaires, well-trained interviewers, carefully and cautiously selected sample and appropriate method of data analysis and reporting are used. So children, with this we come to the end of today's session. I hope you have understood. Children, this is the homework which has been assigned to you. Please do it neatly in your fair notebooks. So that is all for today. Thank you, children.